Hi pals, John here with the LensPal, and today I'm going to talk to you about the iKan Rayden. The Rayden from iKan is a 1x1 light panel that comes pre-diffused. It's a bicolor light. That means you can go from 5600 Kelvin all the way down to 3200 Kelvin and pretty much anywhere in between, allowing you to match other light sources that might be in the room. Included in the Rayden kit are gold mount batteries. This allows you to use the lights out in the field far away from mains power supplies. But if you do happen to be working indoors, we include the power cables so that you can plug these bad boys straight in and use them that way. The Raydens come as a 2-light kit, so that includes the batteries, as I mentioned before. They're gold mount batteries. It also includes a light stand for each of the lights. It's basically a nice little kit if you're doing interviews, if you're doing news on location, if you're doing anything in studio. This is a nice little 2-light kit setup, complete with the barn doors for you to control the light flow and spill as needed. The Rayden 2-light kit is available on our website, www.thelenspal.com, for just $128 for a 4-day rental, which, considering the technology and power you're getting, is a bargain. I've been John with the LensPal. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I shall see you next time.